Hi, this is Paul from Drone Shop, and today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one to the ones I usually do. I usually come here and talk about a certain drone or drone defense equipment we sell, or even maybe an unboxing of a new product. Today, I'm going to be doing a little recap on what has happened in the month of October in terms of events, products, and general updates on the UAE drone market. Let's get into it. Around this sort of time every year, the end of September into October is when the weather in the UAE starts to cool down a little and event season starts. 2025 has been no different. October's had a host of events I've attended and the quality of the event gets better and better. WETEX was the first main event of the month. And as I just said, it was a brilliant event held at the Dubai World Trade Center. I was there with our partners Yellowscan, and for 3 days we made new connections, greeted existing customers, and even educated the children that had school trips to the event. What this showed me is that drone technology paired with LiDAR scanners is something that is growing quickly around the world, and it was my pleasure to be there with the best LiDAR manufacturers around. After the event, we actually did a full demonstration of the bathymetric LiDAR scanner, the Navigator. It was an amazing day shared with new and existing clients showing full interest in a product that is changing the way bathymetric scans are done. Thank you again to everyone that showed up on the day, and to all those that missed that one, keep your eyes and ears open as we're preparing another one very soon. Then we had the Verti Expo at the Festival City Arena. This event was not as busy as WETEX, but it was dedicated to drone technology, which was great. My reason for attending, apart from the passion for my work, was to meet some new manufacturers of drones, see what other tech might be out there for me to look into further. There could be some unboxing videos to follow this one, so watch this space. Now, GITEX North Star. Wow, this event gets bigger and bigger every year, most probably the reason why they're moving the location to Dubai Expo next year. GITEX is one of, if not the world's largest tech event, and this year gave everyone the chance to go down and connect with the clients from around the globe and network with industry leaders. GITEX never fails to deliver, and I can't wait to see what comes in 2026. November is going to be no different. It's going to get bigger with the Big Five Global, Smart City Expo, Geo World, and of course, ADIPEC. It's going to be a very busy month, and I can't wait. As I mentioned previously in this video, a lot of my month centered around Yellowscan Navigator as it gathers pace in the UAE and GCC region. But I did have a lot of inquiries for Quantum Systems Trinity Pro, the fixed-wing drone, as well as the ever-reliable DJI products. What I have noticed over the last couple of months is a determination for companies to adopt the technology, which is amazing, instead of hiring commercial drone companies. Whilst at the event in October, quite a few of my conversations were spent explaining the ins and outs of drone commissions and how to fly drones in the UAE. This excites me because it means not only are companies interested in drone technology, they actually want to integrate it into their day-to-day routines, and this is exactly how you get the best data using drones. That leads me nicely into the largest amount of inquiries I've received in October, and that is training. Since Dubai relaxed the rules a little bit on recreational flights, the amount of people wanting to get trained has shot up a staggering amount. Things to know: flying in Dubai is still strict, whether you're a commercial pilot or a recreational pilot. For the hobbyists out there wanting to hone in on their skills, you will need certification from the DCAA or GCAA, depending on where you want to fly. If you want to fly everywhere, then you will need both accreditations. DCAA allows you to fly in the designated areas in Dubai only, and the GCAA means you can fly in the designated areas in the other 6 Emirates, but not Dubai. Before attending the training, you need to be security cleared, which can take around 2 to 3 weeks to get back once we've applied for you. Once this is done, you are just a 1-day course and examination away from being able to take to the skies. For more information about this, please feel free to leave a comment on our video or contact me on any of our socials. So, that is October finished. Time to see what November brings. As mentioned, keep an eye out for our demo, which will be happening at the end of November. And to make sure you don't miss out, please like and subscribe to this channel, as well as all of our socials linked below. That's it from me for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.